Hi, today in front of me Realme 10 and 9 Pro Plus 5G, and I'll show you how to remove home screen widgets on this device. So let's first just select the screen where you want to add the widget. We can use the new one or just the our main home screen. So we should just hold for a while the empty space on our home screen, then just we'll see here widgets icon, tap on it, and after that we'll see all of the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, to add the calendar widget, we should just click on it, and now it's just automatically added to our home screen. If you want to move it here on the screen or between the screens, or just if you want to create a new screen with the widget, we should just hold it, and after that we can make it bigger or smaller. If you want to remove it from the home screen, we should just hold it and tap to remove icon, then confirm your action by click to remove widget. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.